So guys, if you want to add a cinematic effect in your videos and look marvelous, so we will learn this, how to add the cinematic. Guys, we will add a cinematic effect. When you will use these features, you will be amazed at how your video will be so cinematic. We will go to CapCut, tablet or mobile, add new project, choose the video on which you want to apply the effect. First we will go to this blue one. This is something like this. Now we will go to effect, we will go to video effect, and we will go to lens. Choose the lens. Here I will choose edge glow, mark tick, apply adjustment like this. You will see you can adjust according to your wish. Okay, you will drag it through, go back, click the clip, go to adjust. We will adjust the vicinity up to 10 and fade up to 8. Okay, now you will feel the difference. Here this is so cinematic. Okay, I will split and delete the other part. I will delete the ending. I will import another clip on which we will apply the glow. We will choose this one. As you can see, we will go and adjust the ratio. Yes, we will go to this also and adjust the ratio of this one. Yes, okay. So we will go to effect and we can copy this one. We will adjust over this. We will click on the clip and glow to 100%. Now we will go back, click the clip, open the adjustment, go to fade up to 11% and vicinity up to 15 or 16, and you will feel the difference. Yes, if you will see, we have so much glow in the video. This looks so cinematic. So guys, subscribe my channel, like my videos, and like and share. Thank you.